Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to return a package to the sender using UPS. So if you received a package you don't want or it was delivered by mistake, then just follow along. If the package hasn't been opened, you may be able to write return to sender on the package and contact UPS for instruction. And if the package is still in transit, sign into your UPS account and check whether delivery options allows you to refuse or return the shipment. And if the package has already been delivered, you need to contact UPS customer service to discuss your return option. In some cases, the sender may also need to authorize the return, and you need to always avoid removing or covering the original shipment label unless instructed by UPS. So that was how to return a package to the sender with UPS. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.